In the last few years, artificial intelligence has made big steps forward in the area of artistic expression. Today, we're going to look more closely at the top 10 AI art generator tools that have changed the way we make and enjoy art. Before that, make sure to subscribe to our channel now and hit the bell icon for regular updates. Let's get into the video. Number 10. Starry AI. It is a great AI art generator and NFT tool that turns art into digital tokens quickly and easily. Starry AI's advanced machine learning algorithm lets it handle art images on its own, without any help from the user. Starry AI stands out because it gives people full ownership of the artwork it makes, so they can use it for personal or business purposes. Starry AI has quickly become a popular choice because it is free and can make NFTs. Number 9. OPENART. OPENART is an AI art generator that lets people easily make one-of-a-kind pictures using either Stable Diffusion or DALL-E 2. What makes OPENART stand out is its amazing ability to let users train their own AI image generators. This makes sure that the output is more specific and relevant and fits their needs exactly. With OPENART, people can be as creative as they want because it gives them a free place to explore and make beautiful art that fits their vision. Number 8. CF Spark Art. CF Spark Art, an integral component of Creative Fabrica's AI-backed toolkit, empowers users to craft captivating and innovative images across various styles and aspect ratios based on a simple text prompt. Seamlessly integrated within Creative Fabrica's ecosystem, this exceptional art generator serves as an invaluable resource for creatives, artists, and designers who are already leveraging the platform's extensive offerings. Number 7. Designs.ai. Designs.ai is a powerful platform built specifically to assist marketers and agencies in effortlessly producing high-quality art on a large scale. This innovative AI-generated art platform offers a comprehensive suite of tools, including an AI color matching tool, logo maker, and video maker, all aimed at streamlining the creative process. What sets Designs AI apart is its unique text-to-speech and text-to-video features, which surpass those found in other AI graphic generators. Number 6. NIGHTCAFE. NIGHTCAFE is one of the major AI art generators. It has a wide range of methods and options that are better than those of its competitors. NIGHTCAFE stands out because it is so easy to use. It is great for both experienced artists and people who want to try something new in this creative field. NIGHTCAFE is based on a credit system, and it has a large free tier and a lot of ways to earn credits by being an active member of its thriving community. Number 5. AutoDraw. AutoDraw is a great AI experiment from Google that lets you use your imagination quickly and easily. This online tool gives you lots of shape and image ideas based on what you draw. AutoDraw's cleverness allows you to turn a simple sketch into an interesting drawing with just one click. Number 4. Dream by WOMBO. Dream by WOMBO is a mobile app that uses AI to turn words and pictures into beautiful art. This app was made for creative people and artists who are looking for exciting visual experiences. It gives them a unique way to make beautiful AI art. Also, it comes with a lively community that gives you tips and insights that will help you make personalized art made by AI. Number 3. DALL-E 2. DALL-E 2, which was made by OpenAI, is an AI art generator that lets people make pictures that look real by answering text questions. One amazing thing about DALL-E 2 is that it has a feature called outpainting, which lets users extend a picture beyond its original canvas. This cool feature lets you make beautiful landscapes or wider images that can be used in social media posts or blog pieces. DALL-E 2 gives you a lot of artistic choices, such as realistic art, oil paintings, and illustrations. Number 2. CANVA AI. The text-to-image AI art generation is an exciting new feature that CANVA has added to its collection. This unique native AI art app lets users type in a piece of text, which then tells Canva's AI to make 4 highly relevant images. Designers love this new feature because it gives them more ways to be artistic with Canva's large library of templates and graphics tools. Number 1. MIDJOURNEY. MIDJOURNEY is an innovative AI art generator that empowers individuals to unleash their creativity across various art styles. This AI tool transforms text prompts into stunning visuals through a Discord bot. Whether for personal expression or professional endeavors, MIDJOURNEY enables users to effortlessly generate impressive graphics, providing a gateway for artistic exploration and application. That's all for today's video. Hope you liked the video. Subscribe and hit the bell icon for more updates. Thanks for watching.